guys, it's me Bimun Diengdoh, and even though I film with my phone, but today I feel like it's going to be a good video. Today I'm in a good mood. I can feel the energy, the vibes, and everything are just so calm here in the forest, and the weather is also very good. It's not raining, it's not windy, so let's hope for the good video and keep watching, guys.
Sound of your heart gets stuck in my head, so I can't forget when it was all.
The cricket that produces this sound, it looks creepy, guys. I don't want to touch this. It looks creepy. It is called Langkyrding, guys, in Khasi. So yeah, guys, that one. So guys, of course I am in the forest, and of course this is in Shillong, and still at the heart of the city. This forest is called the Khlaw Syiem. It is under Malayan Imship jurisdiction, and if it's not, then correct me. It's a very big forest. It's a very big forest, guys. Some part of it lies within Langkyrding, some part lies within Mawpat, and then Mawlai Tower, then Mawlai Umshing, then Mawlai Maro. So this other information, we can understand that it is a very extensive forest. It's very big, and even though it is in the forest, but many people come to this forest, guys. For example, there are women and children who come to search for mushroom and wild vegetable like that from the month of June to September. And then there are some people who come to collect firewood. There are those people who keep cows for milking like that. They come to cut grass from this forest, and there's also a lot of people who come for trekking, guys, because there is a viewpoint up there in the hill, and which I will be also going there, and I will show you guys when I reach there. There is also a tower on top of this hill, guys. Just a tower, okay, it's not important, but let me tell you more about the tower when I reach there. As for now, is this a good vlog or not, you guys? You tell me, you comment down. So this is it, guys. This is the tower that I'm talking about, guys. It's very tall. It's very tall. Guys, I know it's a tower. It's nothing special, but let me explain you a little bit more, guys. So this is the tower that can be seen from all over Shillong, guys. This is the one, guys. I mean, this tower can be seen from Langkyrding, from PB, from Mawpat, from Panoramic, Ranjana to Mai, you name it, guys. It can be seen from Jayao, and then Mawlai also. I mean, if you stay in Langkyrding, you can just go up to your terrace, and then you can look towards Mawpat. You'll see a forest, you'll see a jungle, you'll see a tower in the middle of the jungle, and this is the one, guys. This is the one. Okay, guys, so that's it. Enough for the tower. Let's go for the main thing, guys. Where my today's destination ends, guys, but let me show you the viewpoint, guys. Look, guys, look. This is incredible, guys. Very beautiful. Amazing view from here, guys. I wish I have a drone so that I can fly it from here, guys, but sadly I don't have. Let me explain you guys. So this is Nehu, you know the full form, and this is where Mao lie, and this is where dam site or Yam Lake, and this area, guys, I don't know their names, but it's okay, guys. So amazing, guys. The view is just
When it was only us. When it was only us.
That's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, so that I can make more videos, more better videos than these. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog, and peace, guys. Peace.